Hi first graders, today is a test day. We have come to the end of Unit 2 and we are ready to show our knowledge. So if you're at home right now, this is in the very back of your homework packet. It will be 2 pages. At the top it says Unit 2 test. I'm only going to read you the directions and then the rest will be work time for you. So please put your name and the date on the top of the paper located right here. For number 1 and number 2, you are to write the partners and the total according to the pictures. For number 3, there are a few problems included in number 3. You need to decide, does the equation match the circle drawing? Here's the equation. Here's the circle drawing. If this matches this, meaning the same number of dots adding up to the same total, you would color in the bubble that says yes. If it does not match, you would color in the bubble that says no. Okay, turn the page. Just like we saw on our review, this is the same type of problem. We're going to ring or circle the total number of toys in the group. So there are 4 yo-yos in the box, and you can count on the other 2 yo-yos that are outside. So 4 yo-yos and 2 more. You will circle or ring the total number of toys in the group. Okay, these are your choices. Same for 5 and 6. These are jacks, and this is talking about boats. Turn the page. All right, so this also looks just like the one we did yesterday, where you're matching up the circle drawing to the equation. So here you're going to want to read the story. So there are 9 butterflies, then 2 fly away. You're going to want to draw your break apart and cross them off, and then think, what is that equation? 9 take away 2 equals, and then you're going to connect the dots where it belongs. And do that for this problem, and this problem. These ones, it just changes from a story problem to just words that say subtract 6. So you have to think about how many you're starting with, and then subtract 6, and then see which of these that matches up to. Okay? For number 8, you're going to make a circle drawing for the equation and find the answer. So again, you're going to start by drawing this many circles, taking away 4, and seeing how many you have left to show the answer. Okay, let's turn the page. So this might look familiar to you. So we're going to write the subtraction equation below the addition equation that helps you to solve it. So remember, like we learned, the same numbers are used in these equations means they're related. Okay? So for example, if you had 8 plus 2 equals 10, which subtraction equation is related to that one? Okay? And you would take it and write it underneath. Okay, the last problem that you have today, number 10, says, write an equation for the story. Make a proof drawing to show that the equation is true and write vertical form. So that's going to be 3 things you need to do. First, let's read the story. There are 5 oranges in a bowl. Max puts 3 more oranges in the bowl. Now there are 8 oranges. So first you're going to want to write that equation. You're starting with 5 oranges in the bowl. Max puts in 3 more, and now there are a total of 8. So write that equation. Then draw it out. So draw your 5, put your break apart, put the extra 3 to prove that there are 8. And then write the vertical form, which remember means they're stacked on top of each other. Now friends, make sure you try to do this as much as you can by yourself. Moms and dads can read you the directions, but we really want to see what you know. Okay? All right, good luck. Tomorrow we will start Unit 3, and great job on all your work on Unit 2. Thank you very much.